Viewers, I am Raji Ramakrishnan. Today I am going to make a Pacha Chundakka Vatha Kuzhambu. I have washed, cut the Pacha Chundakka, and see here I have just put a slit in this, and so that you will come to know if any insects are there, you can remove that. So this I have put it in the water. 1 teaspoon of sambar powder, 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, and 2 red chili I have taken here, teaspoon of urad dal, chana dal, and little bit of methi seeds, haldi powder, salt, and hing powder. I am using gingerly oil for this. Two tablespoons of gingerly oil. This Vatha Kuzhambu I am making it slightly different because I am going to add boiled tur dal also in this. Normally in the Vatha Kuzhambu the dal is not added, but today I am going to add the tur dal in it. The dal goes in, and the red chili also, curry leaves. Generous pinch of asafoetida. Now we will put the Sundakkai in it. We saute the same till it is very soft. Now we will add the tamarind juice in this and little water. Little salt, turmeric powder. Now let us cook this. We have to cook this till it is very soft and the raw taste of tamarind goes. Then afterwards we will add the boiled tur dal and the sambar powder in it. The tamarind pulp has reduced a lot, and the Chundakkai is also cooked. Now we will add the sambar powder. And tur dal, fistful of tur dal I have pressure cooked and kept it here. Mash it well and add to the Vatha Kuzhambu. You can add little more water in this. This has come to a boil. Little bit of jaggery goes in this now. The Pacha Chundakka Vatha Kuzhambu is ready here with a different style. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment.